What's good, guys? My name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On, the channel about the privilege of being a freelancer. And today we're having out a new product. This is a teleprompter, let me show you guys, from Pixaero company. So today I'm reviewing this product on an actual shoot. So today we're having 5 different speakers and they are all using this teleprompter. So let's find out, is it good enough? Let's go. So this Pixaero teleprompter comes in a very nice pouch with the zipper on it. Also we have here the special, step-up rings to mount this onto your lens, different diameters from the very small to 77 millimeters. Also, as a bonus, we get the lens pen, which is also nice, and it's very compact and really well made. Actually, it's a pretty nice pouch, and the unit itself is also very nice. Also, I need to mention that this will work only with 35mm lens or above, like 50mm, like we're using right now, Zeiss f2 macro 50mm lens, which is a Mobus one. So the wider lenses will get you a vignette, so the parts of the teleprompter will be in the field of view of your lens. So use 35mm or above in full frame equivalent. And now about the app. Pixaero has made their own one, it's called Sufler.pro, I don't know how it's called in English, but in Russian it says Sufler.pro. And you can here see that you can change the size and the speed of your text in here, in your smartphone. My iPhone 8 fits perfectly into this part of it. Maybe the bigger phones will have some small troubles with it because they're too much, in terms of size. But right here, I'm using the iPhone 8 and it's working perfectly well. So the app, thumbs up, pretty good one. Okay guys, now it's time to show you how it looks from my Sony a7S Mark II with the 50mm Zeiss Mobus, and we'll see if the eyes are, running around the frame or if it seems like the person is just talking to a camera. Let's find out. Here are the examples.
И помните, каждый раз, когда вы продаете вашего артиста, на другой стороне кто-то приобретает позитивные эмоции. И именно ваша работа приносит людям радость. Такая у нас миссия. Спасибо.
Указывайте ваши охваты в соцсетях, да, сейчас это важно, и тогда люди будут получать максимально конкретную информацию и смогут быстрее принять решение о том, поставить ваш трек на радио или поставить ваш клип на телевизор.
И в следующий раз вы займетесь этим делом гораздо ответственнее и получите наивысший результат. Всем участникам желаю интересных проектов и быстрых подключений. Пока!
Okay guys, that's been it. It's a wrap. All 5 talents have finished their speeches and I'm really satisfied with the results. You just saw the results and I can say that the eyes are not running around the frame and everything is pretty good. And now about the pricing. The price is around $140, which is pretty, not very much, but not very little sum of money, so I guess it's pretty adequate. And I'm very satisfied with the results. It's a nice package, very compact, very useful, and I'm probably going to use this package in my YouTube videos. So I do recommend this product. This was Oleg Nikitin and No Limits On, guys. Take care. Bye.